Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In today's class, we will solve another example on formula rearrangement. So in this example, we are making x the subject of formula. So straight away, we are going to solve this solution. So we have t is equals to a over the square root of x. So first of all, we can say, let's take x this way. So to do that, we multiply both sides by x. We multiply both sides by x to get rid of s from here. So we say multiply both sides by, not s rather, but the square root of x. Alright, the square root of x. So that we have t multiply the square root of x is equals to a over the square root of x multiplied by the square root of x. So that here we have t root x. So t multiplied by root x gives us t root x. Now root x cancels out with root x. That is, this divided by this is 1, and then we're left with a. But our job is not to make a the subject formula, but rather x. So the next thing we do, we will divide both sides by t to get rid of t here. So we say divide both sides by t. So when we do that, we have t root x divided by t is equals to a divided by t. So t cancels out with t, and then we have here that root x is equal to a over t. Alright, so the next thing is to get rid of the square root. Now to do that, the inverse operation of square root is square. So we are going to say square both sides. Remember, whatever you do to the right hand side, you do to the left hand side. So when we square both sides, we take the square of root x will also be the square of a plus t, a over t rather, squared. Alright, so square root goes out to square, and then we have x is equal to, in indices, this is affected by the square, and t is also affected by square. So that we have a squared over t squared. And so that becomes the solution to this question. Okay, remember, a squared, t squared. The square affects both a and t from our laws of indices. So that will be all for today's class. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. You can drop your questions as well in the comment section. We'll be glad to receive them and also respond to them. Don't forget to support us today by sending us stars. See you in our next class. Bye.